If Wave accounting is running slow, that can make everything from loading invoices to checking reports feel frustratingly delayed. Let's fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. I mean, slow or unstable. Internet can make the entire system feel unresponsive. Next, refresh the page. Sometimes performance issues are just temporary loading glitches. Now close unnecessary browser tabs and background apps. Yeah, too many running processes can slow everything down. Next, restart your browser completely. I mean, this clears temporary memory issues that can slow down performance. Now, open Wave accounting in incognito mode. This helps reduce extension load and cached data interference. Next, disable all browser extensions temporarily. Yeah, extensions like ad blockers or script tools can slow down performance. Now, clear cache and cookies. I mean, corrupted browser data can heavily impact loading speed. Next, check your device performance. Low RAM or high CPU usage can slow down web applications significantly. Now, turn off any VPN or proxy. Yeah, these can route traffic slowly and increase loading time. Next, make sure your browser is updated. I mean, outdated browsers can reduce performance on modern web apps. Now, check if Wave accounting servers are experiencing slowdowns. Sometimes the issue is not on your side at all. Next, try using another browser or device. Yeah, this helps identify if the issue is system-specific. If nothing works, contact support. I mean, there may be a back-end performance issue affecting your account. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve slow performance issues in Wave accounting and make everything run smoothly again.